Sri Lanka is an island nation located in the Indian Ocean, south of India. The country was formerly known as Ceylon until 1972 when it changed its name to Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is often referred to as the Emerald Isle due to its lush green landscapes. It has a rich history that dates back over 2,500 years. The capital city is Sri Jayawardenepura Kotte, while Colombo is the largest city and commercial capital. Sri Lanka is known for its diverse wildlife, including elephants, leopards, and numerous bird species. The island has 8 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, including the ancient city of Sigiriya and the sacred city of Kandy. The official languages are Sinhala and Tamil, reflecting the island's cultural diversity. Sri Lanka is one of the world's top tea producers, known for its Ceylon tea. The country boasts stunning beaches along its coastline, including Ventoda and Unawatuna. Sri Lanka is home to the world's oldest living tree, the Sri Mahabodhi, a Bodhi tree in Anuradhapura. The country has a tropical climate, characterized by 2 monsoon seasons. Sri Lankans celebrate numerous festivals, including the Sinhala and Tamil New Year and Vesak, which honors the birth of Buddha. The island is famous for its spices, especially cinnamon, which is native to the region. Sri Lanka has a rich culinary heritage, with dishes like hoppers, kattu, and pol sambol. The Sri Lankan flag features a lion, symbolizing the Sinhala ethnic group, along with 2 bow leaves representing Buddhism. The country has a high literacy rate of around 92%, one of the highest in South Asia. Sri Lanka is a biodiversity hotspot, hosting several endemic species of flora and fauna. The country has a rich tradition of arts and crafts, including intricate wood carvings and textiles. Ayurveda, a traditional system of medicine, has been practiced in Sri Lanka for thousands of years. The Sinhalese and Tamil are the 2 major ethnic groups on the island. Sigiriya, an ancient rock fortress, is often considered one of the 8 wonders of the world. Sri Lanka's national parks, like Yala and Udawala, are some of the best places for wildlife safaris. The island has a history of being a significant trading hub, connecting the east and west. Sri Lanka is famous for its traditional dance forms, including Kandyan and Kolam. The cultural triangle, comprising Anuradhapura, Polonnaruwa, and Kandy, is rich in ancient temples and ruins. The island has an extensive railway system that offers scenic train journeys, especially through the hill country. Sri Lanka is known for its friendly and hospitable people, often referred to as the Pearl of the Indian Ocean. The country is a popular destination for surfing, especially in areas like Aragon Bay. Sri Lanka produces a variety of fruits, including bananas, mangoes, and papayas. The island has a number of historic fort cities, including Gal, which showcases colonial architecture. Sri Lankan cricket is a major source of national pride, with the team having won the ICC Cricket World Cup in 1996. The country has a strong tradition of Buddhism, with around 70% of the population identifying as Buddhists. Sri Lanka's coastline stretches for approximately 1,340 kilometers, about 830 miles. The country is home to several important Buddhist sites, including the Temple of the Tooth in Kandy. Originally inhabited by tribes such as the Beta, the island has seen waves of migration over millennia. The island is known for its gemstones, particularly sapphires and rubies. Sri Lanka has a thriving film industry, often referred to as Sri Lankan cinema. The nation has made significant contributions to literature, with authors like Romesh Gunasekara and Shyam Selvadurai gaining international recognition. Sri Lanka has a well-developed system of irrigation, dating back to ancient kingdoms. The island has a significant number of tea estates that offer visitors a glimpse into tea production. The Cultural Triangle is a popular tourist route that includes ancient cities, archaeological sites, and temples. Sri Lanka is surrounded by several smaller islands, including Jaffna Peninsula and Manor Island. The island has a vibrant street food culture, offering a variety of quick bites and snacks. Sri Lankan elephants are renowned, and the country hosts several elephant orphanages. The country experiences multiple climatic zones, from tropical rainforests to arid plains. The Sri Lankan leopard is a unique subspecies and is one of the country's top predators. Traditional masks and puppetry are an important part of Sri Lankan cultural heritage, often used in ceremonies and performances. The island features several important archaeological museums that showcase its rich history. The national flower of Sri Lanka is the blue water lily, Nilmanel.